Hey Scratchers, today I'm going to be making a video since we're stuck in quarantine. I am a part-time part-time coder. If any of you didn't know, I made one Scratch video. But this is more on something inside of it. So, today I'm going to show you how to make a commentary for your game. So, on basketball, it'll be like, they'll say the last name of the player who, did it. So, Zeppy! Sorry about my dog. They'll say so the player will go like, Bailey, shoots the ball, or Joseph shoots the ball, or something. So they'll say the last name. And I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty complicated, but if you really know how to do it, it's not that hard. So I'm going to call this commentary test. Sorry, I spelled commentary wrong. I'm making a basketball dunking game. It was suggested by one of my customers for Online Game Maker, OGM. So, as you can see, this is the website I have been creating. All you have to do is, I'll put the link in the description, click begin, and, so what it is you're creating, you tell me your game ideas through the email in the mail to button. You click begin, it's the code format. Mail to the format, and it'll just have my email here, and you'll just type it in. You just have to type the message and enter. You do not have to have a Gmail for this, I'm pretty sure. But you just send me what you want, what game you want, and I'll code it for you, and it'll take about a week, or depending on how hard it is and how good it is. So, but yeah, it'll be in the link description. You guys can send me however many, games you want. About like 2 per person, so you guys can do that. So anyway, sorry I haven't been posting fishing videos. I have a really good fishing videos that we have to edit, and it was literally we filmed it a little while ago when we were in I forget where we were, but we caught a giant sturgeon, and I need to finally make that video. But anyway, so obviously we're gonna have a win flag is clicked. So you're gonna say your commentary right now. So you don't say the name of the last name player. The person gets to decide their last name of the player of what their name is. So you're gonna go record and say. So you're gonna go record and Scratch and say. You have like a little bit of a. You say, fires the 3, or does Whopper or something. So here, I'm gonna do this right now. Destroys the basket with his powerful dunk. And actually, so let me re-record that. I forgot to explain. You need your voice to kind of sound like a computer voice, because we're going to be using text-to-speech for this. So you need to kind of make it sound like a version of the choice. So we're gonna go here, right there. Text-to-speech. Set voice to tenor. Speak hello.
Hello.
So this is what you want your voice to sound like. But you can have more of an intense voice as you exit out of the voice. So, fires the 3. Here, let me redo that. Fires the 3. Fires the 3. Alright, yeah. Here we go. That's good. All you need is a better quality, because I got like music in the background and stuff. You need to be in like a room just like without anybody in it, for it to sound better. Or you get a voice recorder on your phone because it's higher quality voice. and say it, and then download it, or like Gmail it, get to your draft on email. Email it to yourself. Go on your computer, get it. Blah 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 blah. Anyway, when flag is clicked, set voice to tenor, speak. Then we're gonna go to, where is it? Username. Speak username. You can also have it as username, but when flag is clicked, ask what's your name and wait. So, Bob. Oh, no. Bob. So, your username's Bob. So, and then, say, like, later in the game, this will, pop up, but you're gonna go broadcast. I mean, you don't do it right now, but broadcast, say, I'm gonna go here, and then, so, either username, which is your username, mine's GameMat, or answer, which is the thing you say. So set voice to tenor, and when I receive say, speak answer, and then start recording 1. Alright.
Bob
fires the 3! Alright, so I don't really like that, so we're gonna have it like that. Fires the 3! Fires the 3! So we want to have it flow. Fires the 3! Fires the 3! I think that's okay.
Giannis
Fires the 3! Here, Jillian, can you quiet down for a second? Fires the 3! Fires the 3! And we're gonna get rid of this big space. Fires the 3! Then you go start sound. Okay, let's see. Oh.
Bob B
Fires the 3! It happened, we're robotic.
Heck
Fires the 3! Heck fires the 3! Heck fires the 3! Okay, here we go. Fires the 3! Bob fires the 3! Yeah, so if the voice quality is going to sound better if you record it on your phone, and that'll make it more smoother. So fires the 3! I can do a better robot voice. Fires the 3! That's too robotic. Fires the 3! Bob fires the 3! Fires the 3! Fires the 3! Fires the 3! Gosh. Fires the 3! Nope. Fires the 3! I don't even know. That was weird. Alright.
FHF.
Fire the 3! Fire the 3! You gotta say it louder. Fires the 3! Fires the... There we go. Fires the 3!
J
Fires the 3! There we go, that's okay. Username.
Game Mat.
Fires the 3! So that's how you do it. Simple code, and however far you are in coding, it can even be on a different sprite.
What do you guys want, that Sprite or middle?
Sprite.
Sprite, Julian?
Sorry about that. So we're gonna
J,
fires the 3 in a different spray just to prove it to you. And then we're gonna get rid of this. Watch.
J,
Okay, maybe it has to be in the same spray, but you can always code, all of the commentary in one spray. So I'm guessing you can't do that now. I thought it would, but sorry, my bad, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much how to simple code. I'm sorry this video took so long. But thank you guys for watching. Remember, submit on Online Game Maker, and I hope you guys have a great day, and try not to be bored in quarantine. If you don't want to be bored, watch my YouTube channel. Sorry, just had to do it.